Raju Ahmed, all-rounder. The mystery bowler Raju Ahmed. Ji friends, 8K. Thank you so much, ED Enterprise. Raju Ahmed, mystery. And that's why 8K. 8K 1. It's 8K 2. 8.5. 8.5 Star India. 8,500 Star India. And it's 9. Once again, Atrey Enterprise. The most experienced bowler and also mystery bowler. That's why the bidding price is now at 9,000 from Atrey Enterprise. Star India, continue Corben. Yes, 9.5. Taro continue Korachan. 1. Anyone? So 9.51. 9.52. Final call. Sold to Star India, Raju Ahmed. 9.